and I had 2 glasses of wine with
What's
her.
that over there?
That's number 3, but it's the end of the little bottle I had. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode 11. Tonight, I am making...
Do you want people to know you're drunk?
Shut up, I had 2 glasses of wine.
2 big glasses.
Oh yeah. I dropped off cookies to my beautiful friend, Monica Silvis, and I had 2 glasses of wine with
What's
her.
that over there?
That's number 3, but it's the end of the little bottle I have here. But there's another bottle right there.
Yeah.
So tonight I'm making Carrabba's Copycat Chicken Marsala. It's so good. In here I've already browned some chicken in the butter, and I'm doubling the recipe for this show because I'm feeding a lot of people. But I'm going to post the recipe in its 4 servings. So in here I have just melted butter, salt, pepper, and then some garlic. It doesn't call for garlic, but I put garlic in it. In here I have a little,
Why do you use garlic?
Because I like garlic. I have 3 shallots chopped up and about 1.5 cups of mushrooms. And I'm going to cook these in here. And you cook these until the mushrooms kind of brown. Well, they're already brown, but you know.
No, I don't know.
Well, I don't know either.
Why you say it?
Because I don't know. Tell them to wait till they're brown.
Yeah, have another sip.
Yeah.
That's what you need.
This recipe is so good. On the recipe that on here, it calls for you to pour it over like linguine or spaghetti noodles. But if you go there and get it, it's over mashed potatoes, and that's how I make it. So you got to cook these down a little bit. In here, I have 1/2 cup of Marsala cooking wine with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in there, and then this is a cup of heavy cream. That's going to make the sauce.
Heavy cream.
It's called heavy cream. You need to get out or something.
Just cook your fucking food. You need to get out less.
Yeah, no shit.
Come home. 3 sheets to the wind.
I am not even close.
Yeah. Tripped over the UP.
Okay, see how it's thickening here? It doesn't get like real thick. It just gets to be like a juice. You know what I mean? Okay, and then I'm going to grab this little handy dandy tool, and I'm going to start putting some of the chicken in there. And then you cook it down. This chicken's been cooked in butter earlier, a little bit. You have to pre-cook it. So this recipe that I'm going to post is for like 4 breasts of chicken, and you can see I have a lot more. So we're going to double this after Beverly coming over, but this is just for the show.
Alright.
Okay?
Sign off.
So when we come back, you'll see the finished dish poured over mashed potatoes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. He's gonna throw something in. And again, thank you so much for joining in, and we'll be back with the finished product. Hi, we're back. Billy's plate's made.
It's your second bottle tonight.
It is not. He's gonna be my taste tester. There's a little gravy, the juice. I made a lot, so I will say that I will.
With all our drinks.
Shut up. I will brown the chicken a little bit more the next time, but it's cooked through. I made sure. He's gonna be my taste tester. So cut the chicken and take a bite with like the juice and the mushrooms with it. Tell them.
Good.
It's good, he says. So I will post the recipe.
Starving.
He is starving. It is 9:02. We never have dinner this late, ever.
No, but we were late filming because I had to call her to pull her away from the bar.
No, he did not. He had a church thing to go to. And then I dropped off cookies at my beautiful friend Monica Silvas' house. And like I said earlier, I had a couple glasses of wine. I got back, and then I had to do an episode. So I'm going to post the recipe. Brown the chicken a little bit more than I did at the beginning. I get kind of scared because I don't want to make it dry. So just brown it a little bit more in the butter, like it says. And enjoy. I'll see you next week with I don't know what. Oh no, the pumpkin cookies.
Yeah.
Yes, I made the pumpkin cookies for the episode. I'm going to make the pumpkin cookies for episode 12. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and check out In the Clinch, The Press Conference, Desert Gems, and Clickbait. Boom! Boom! But
It is good.
no, come here. Look in the camera and tell them.